Hey guys, Hacker Puzzles Games here, back with another video. Today we're playing Build a Boat, and I just recorded a 50-minute video on this, and I realized I didn't have my microphone on, so just gonna have to redo it now. Anyways, so I have a few boats that I built in my recording. This boat, that could get you to the end very easily. Here, let me show you. So we just fly up here, launch, and let's go. We will get there soon. Basically, I'll also see if I can show you some or tell you some secrets, because I'm not going to actually do them. Yeah, there's many secrets, especially most of them are actually with these cannons. But yeah, also another way to go fast is just, if you fly high enough, you will go fast. And it doesn't matter what you do, you just have to go through these doors at the end of the level. Like, oh yeah, here's one of the secrets. You can fire cannons. Okay, this is getting annoying. But you can fire the cannons at the crystals. They will like explode or something. The crystal, okay. I just harpooned myself accidentally. You can shoot the crystals on the walls, and if you shoot like a certain amount of them, I forgot exactly. If you shoot a certain amount of them, you will unlock, like, you'll get like teleported to this random place, and it basically helps you unlock portals. You get like 4 of them if you complete this puzzle. So like, you gotta like adventure through portals and like find specific things. I kind of forgot actually. No, nah. Okay. I've not been in the bowling alley one in a while, but I'm pretty sure they throw a bowling ball at me. Please don't hit me with a bowling ball. Oh, and then this one has no secrets, even though it looked like it would have one. At least that I know of. No secrets that I know of. Then there's this. Oh, I should probably activate another jet. Oh. Some guy just soared past me. I didn't even see him. And then here's the next secret thing that I know. You can fire a cannon at that door. It shatters. You go in, like, do battles. I don't want to do battles, though. I feel like it gives you a free sword or something. I'm not doing that, though. See if it gives me... Oh, yes, it gives me the sword. Actually, fine. I'll do it. If I could escape this boat. This boat of misery. Okay. Here, we're gonna do it now. I can fly away if I need. Battle. Yeah. Oh, wow, you get 2 gold for every guy you defeat. Yes. Another guy down. Is that okay? I'm getting bombed. Is that the best you got? Oh no. Magic people. Magic people. Oh no, magic people. Wait, no, those are just archers. Oh no. Ah, I made you oh my god. Oh, that's just my boat. It's just my boat. No. Nothing to worry about. Just my boat. Just my normal boat. Oh, hey. I'm trying to shoot you. Now, come on, evaporate. Evaporate. Are you just invincible? What's happening? Huh? Okay, finally. I almost just got hit by a cannonball. Okay. I'm like scared now, so does my recording? Okay, good. My microphone is on. I'm scared now. Okay, where's this wizard guy? Okay, why are you not wizard guy? Why is this archer sitting here? Okay. Next level. Oh, it's all of the doors. Do I face the wizard guy this time? Haha, you can't get into my boat. Wait, can I think there's potions in here. If I could get past these idiots. Get some potions. Wait, there's also... Where are my guns? Ah! I'm getting attacked. Oh, don't tell me my weapons despawned. No, I think they despawned. Can I just like hide in here? A force field, okay. Oh, no, apparently my stuff does not. No, okay. They harpooned me, or maybe I just harpooned myself. Oh, they're in love with me now. Oh no! Get away from me. Disco time, yeah. I'm paddling while being harpooned to my boat. Hey, can you let go? Thanks. Oh wait, wizard guy. Oh yeah, the wizard guy is weird. He like runs away. Come on. I'm gonna defeat you. Yes, now I have the wizard staff. Wow, does a lot of damage. Wizard noise, wizard noise. Oh no. Get off me, I have the power of wizard. Wow, it does 80 damage. Hey, are you trying to outshoot me? I have a wizard cannon. Yes, wizard evaporation magic. Makes people evaporate. Where are they? Ah, yes, you, evil person. I will attack you, and I will defeat you. Oh yes, other evil people. I'll attack you with my powerful wizard magic. You have stand no chance against me, the powerful wizard man. Okay, I seem stupid now. Hey bro, can this stuff actually work? Kablow. There. Finally it works. My force field boat also stands here. I'll just sit in here. I'll just wait for this stupid stuff to end. Hey, stop! That's mean. Can I just like fly up here, like attack them? Yes, I can. Mwahaha, I have me and my powerful wizard magic. I'm being attacked. Haha, I'm being attacked. It's too overwhelming. I must leave. Hey, can I just like hide on this tree? Hi. You can't get me, nanny poo poo. No, there's another powerful wizard man. Okay, please, you stupid archers. Stop. Oh. The other wizard guy just nuked me. Welp. There's your show of the OP boat. Other OP boat, it's nothing. It's still a work in progress. This machine that I've made, this wonderful machine that I could kidnap people with. Well, basically how it works is these magnets on the bottom. Sometimes they work, most of the time they don't. They basically... Okay, yeah, they're not working right now, but they're like supposed to make you stuck. Anyway, this is basically how it works. There's a bunch of explosives and stuff. Actually, I need to add the new explosives I've got. The new explosives I got, where are they? Hello, where are my explosives? Oh wait, they're at the top. Explosives, where are you? Oh, here you are, thank you. Okay, basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna clone them all, put them right in there. I don't know why I'm stuck, but I wanna have to restart character. Reset, restart, whatever you wanna say. I don't know why I'm so quiet. Okay. I'm gonna start talking louder. Okay, but anyway. Okay, this TNT is being annoying. You know what? Forget it. Forget it. I'm just gonna use the original one. I don't think the TNT makes a difference. Basically, what you do is you launch a boat, you fly the harpoons on it. If the magnet's working, like it rarely does, you could fly over someone with the magnet and it'll just pick them up. But if that doesn't work, it's a good old... Oh no! I really have to add that somewhere different. I really have to add that somewhere else. No, I said... Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna... Hi, how you doing? Sorry, my boat's glitching. But yeah, the magnet, if it works, it'll like suck you in. You'll be stuck. You'll know you're stuck. Okay. I'm kind of suffering. Wait, does the magnet thing? Stupid magnet. Okay. No, I don't want the magnet. Okay. It's not... Actually, I can use it to move. Oh my god. This is annoying. This guy is probably like, what the heck is happening? But what it's supposed to do, if it feels like it, it's supposed to launch the harpoon at the target. Okay. I said launch the harpoon. Okay, doesn't seem like it wants to. Wrong target. Stupid harpoon. Okay. This harpoon is angering me. Wrong button. Again. Yo. Stop! Okay, I don't even know what's happening anymore. There. And now we activate. Hi. How you doing? Hey, so I was basically just about to leave. So, yeah. Time to restart. Okay, so now we just gotta here, I'll show you the not a plane. All you can say is it's not really a plane. And I have to make all of this unanchored and no collision. So I can walk through it. Actually, no, I need collision, or else this won't be fun. I think I don't need collision. But basically what we do, I'll make it transparent in a moment. What we do is we sit here, we rotate it, rotato it, and it died. Whoops. We take some of you. Actually, first, we take. Okay, it's hard to find this block always. Oh yes, there you are. You take whatever the heck you are called. sorry. We have to make it separate from the real boat. And by boat, I mean not boat. Because then, where are the seats? Okay. This is always annoying. You pick up a seat, put it on there. And we take, if you could find it. Actually, no, we're back at the top, so I could find it. Okay. We have to find a lever. Where is it? That's also like the second most annoying block to find for me for some reason. Here it is. Whoops. Now we know it works. Well, now we have to restart our boat. Sorry, guys. Did not know what I was doing. Didn't think it would actually explode. I thought it would just... Yeah, I don't know what I thought it would do. And now we find the glue block. Wherever it's hiding. You coward. Okay. Next time I'm going to save it before I launch it. Gonna have a long pole for some reason, I don't know. And basically what we're gonna do with this long pole, we're gonna add a bunch of you. Okay, I don't know what's happening. And now we gotta go back up, find the seat, which will probably take another 5 hours. Or maybe it's down. I think it's down. Yeah, it's down. Take a jetpack. Wait, I just realized with the new remote controls and whatever, I think I can make like an automatic missile I can control. So we'll try that out. First we will save as not a plane. And we will launch. This is the stupidest thing ever. Let's just find that turtle or pancake, whatever it was. And let's just... Ow. Sorry. I just have to position this, break that off. And here. Let me just show you basically how this works. Like that. Perfect. And now that's your decoration there. Hey. Well, we tried. Now we're gonna try not to plane one more time. I said we're gonna try not to plane one more time. Except this time, we're gonna go to... Okay, so we just put that on. Perfect. And now We take that chip, I think. Where is it? Whatever this is. I'm just gonna place this everywhere because I don't know what to do. Let me look. It's probably gonna tell me. Okay, I have no idea what that is. But let's launch. Don't know how to. Of course, I don't know how to use this. Okay. Oh wait, there's a new level. There's the new level that I haven't seen yet. Came out in the recent update. We have to go there immediately. Load up the OP boat. Don't know what I'm supposed to attach this onto still. Maybe I put this here. Oh yes, and then I attach that onto it. Spider-Man. Okay, now we go. What the? Why is somebody making a house? Okay, we have to see this new level before it despawns. We have to see it. Okay, this level. Nobody cares. Moving on. That looks cool. But yeah, this is also basically going to be a showcase of the OP boat that I made. Just to see. Okay. Wow. This looks like my little brother's right now. Just kidding. I hope I don't get... Oh no, they're shooting at... Oh, okay. I just got shot. That was annoying. Please don't shoot me. Oh no, he's gonna shoot me. Okay, phew, he didn't shoot me. Well. Oh yeah, by the way, I could just like... I could like do whatever I want here. I could like go out here and like take a stroll down like Sunday Street or whatever the heck. But I just have to like, no matter what, I have to go back through this door or else it won't count it. Hey, can I like interrupt your movie? Hey, can I like interrupt your movie? Oh yes, I can. You have been here for long enough. Yeah. Okay. It's not really working. Ow. Can't tell if that's me getting shot at or if that's me shooting with my minigun. Oh no. He almost threw his hammer at me. Oh no. This is one of the harder levels. Don't worry. Force field is here. Okay. Force field is not helping. Ah. No, I'm pulled. My seat got destroyed. Or cooked. Okay. It's supposed to be foolproof. But as you can see, it's not. There's always a mistake that's gonna happen. Self-destruct mode activated. No. Okay, well, we're gonna be stuck here for the rest of our lives if we don't leave. So. Yay, new level. I get a free chest. Even though I'm not gonna use it. Not a plane actually kind of worked. So. I want to get this wrench. I don't know why I never bought it. But if we can. Hey, wait a second. I found our mistake here. You are supposed to not have anchored or collision. Oh. Hey, where'd my boat go? I just erased my boat from existence. Okay. Well, let's try that again. What the? Legacy, what is that? Okay. Goodbye. Wait, hold on. Wasn't that supposed to fall? I guess not. Well, let's just select. Huh. Well, we'll just click everything on there. Because that looks... This looks interesting. Oh no, it fell again. No, come back. I didn't mean to do that. Legacy 6, 7, whatever. Oh no. I'm scared. I'm not gonna click it. I'm not gonna click no shadow. I'm not gonna click it. Okay. Now we just gotta find the other jetpack. Place it down. Click U. Click save. Perfect. Now this should work if I am correct. Which I always am. Real though. Let's go. Haha. I have come to destroy this house. With my creature. Yo. Stop. Oh no, I said stop. No. Hold on. No. Okay, bro. No, I'm flying into space now. Okay. Can I kick this around? Oh. Learned my lesson. I'm gonna watch a tutorial on how to make a missile after this, because that's definitely not how you do it. Wait, I just thought of the best idea ever. It's gonna get me infinitely far. First, we place down this. Then, I stand on this. Then, I find this. So now I'm stuck. I can't run away. And then... we find this. What we do with this is we take it and we move it. So it's stuck in there too. And then what we do is we clone this. So then okay, well, now it's maxed. So then we take out, if I could find it, take out a switch. We launch our boat. Actually, no. And now, oh wait, whoops. Well, that failed. Anyway, the invisible boat. Or just the red boat. Don't know why I made this boat. Honestly. It was in a time of sadness. A time of despair. Oh. My god. God damn it. My dynamite's gone. Lost in the endless void. Let's build a boat. No matter. We can move the U down too. Oh no. Now I have dynamite stuck to me. Don't worry. You could join the party too for just $9.99. Huh, let's stick dynamite to me too. I love that. I love dynamite sticking out of my brain. This is perfect. Not enough though. We need more. More dynamite on me. I will become Dynamite Man. The legend of Dynamite Man. And the explosive thing. Okay. Where's the dynamite? Come on. Okay, I think that dynamite got eaten. Well. Okay, my jetpack is struggling to survive. And now we launch. And I find an unsuspecting victim. Mostly this guy. Oh no, I forgot about my invisible jet. No! Activate self-destruct mode. Okay, no, self-destruct mode's not working. Okay. New idea. We take a jetpack. Place the jetpack down. We take all the dynamite we have. It's not dynamite. Where's the dynamite? Oh, no, I forgot it. I left it at my house. Oh no. Okay, we take all the dynamite we have. No, not there. Okay. Just kidding. Never mind. Take a jetpack. Put it on. Take a dynamite. Place it right there. What we do this and do this. Then we take it and move it into my brain so it's stuck on me. Perfect. Now we do that again. We take it, we slide it over, we move it right into me. And then we do that. And 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 how much dynamite do I have? Seriously. Like, bro, this is way too much. How much do I have? Okay, that's it. And then we take the best part of it all. Switch. Place it on me. Place it on that dynamite. We take it. Take off a key. Where did it go? Whoops. We take that. Yes. We do bam bam. We take you. We don't. We move. Actually, yeah. And then we move it up right into my skull. Move it so it's about like right there. Right on top of the mess. And then we just build a simple dot. And then dot. Basically what we do then is we hop on here. We do this. We do this. We fly to an unsuspecting person. How about this kid? Peppa Pig house. Wait, no. They look like they spent too much time on that. And we let that thing fly into the distance. We come to the sky. Oh, hey. How you doing? You like to blow up? And then we shoot them. Well, not really shoot them. We just explode. Hey. Let me go. Ha, you missed. I'm gonna pop all your balloons now. You shot it at the wrong person. Haha, you missed again. Okay, anyway. Let's see if I could go to, like, a PvP server or something. If we can, I'll just end the video. Because, I mean, I've honestly ran out of ideas. Not really. Quest settings. PvP mode is on. Okay. Now me just, like... I don't know, I have to just, like, go somewhere. Oh, man. Okay. We actually have to, like... Okay. Boring. Well. Goodbye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.